Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys my breakfast so guys can see. This is fried potato and yam, and this is pap. This is my breakfast. So now just simple things I want to eat. Don't want to take like tea, bread, egg. I don't like eating egg. That's why I didn't see the egg and sauce or anything. I just want it natural like this. Just fry yam and sweet potato. So I don't want any sauce around by the side. That's why I do it like this. Just want to take it with pap. So I'm inviting you people to join me. Come and join me my breakfast. This is how I want to eat it. No egg, no sauce. Just like it like this. But I'm enjoying it. So, but if you are doing your own, can make a sauce. Maybe egg sauce or tomato sauce and onion. If you do it like this, you enjoy it more. But I just like it like this. That's why I didn't see any sauce by the side. Just want it like this. So, I invite you guys to join me for my breakfast. So I eat it for lunch, but I'm eating it for breakfast. So I invite you guys to join me so that we eat together. It's a very simple something. You can do it for your children to take it to school. Fry the Irish potato, sweet potato and yam for their lunch box. Can make sauce for them or fry egg put on top for them. They will take it to school and they will like it. Instead of bread and tea every time. You can even also boil it. You can boil the sweet potato, boil the yam, make a sauce, and put it by the side of their lunch box for them. They'll take it to school. So they will enjoy it too. No say sweet potato is sweet. So children will like it, eating it. The boiled one is also very nice. If you cook the boiled one and make a sauce, but if I boil the sweet potato, I don't want to eat it with any sauce. I'll eat it like that because it's sweet, natural. It's very sweet. So if you eat it like that, you love it too. So that is all for my breakfast. Just want to share it with you guys. No, I love you guys. I know you guys love me too. So anything I eat, I have to show you people. And this is my pap. This is guinea corn pap. So see you again in my next video. I love you. Bye.